Hi, my name is Alan. I have never seen you before. Where is Carmen?
Carmen is busy. What do you want?
Sorry. I do not understand you. Was that Polish? I have a Polish grandmother.
I speak with a Spanish accent. I am speaking English, you idiot.
Oh, brother. I'll have a long black coffee and a muffin.
That will be $5.50.
Did you say $5.50? Cheap at half the price.
Great. Your order will be ready in 2 minutes.
So, you are temporarily replacing Carmen. Looks like we have got some succession planning going on here.
What is this succession planning?
Well, in Ron's workforce planning class, today, they were talking about succession planning. I read up on it.
¿Qué?
Succession planning is all about identifying talent within an organization and developing it so that as people in management roles or critical job roles leave the organization, you have talented people replacing them.
This makes go all sense.
Yes, it does. But the story of succession planning continues.
¿Qué?
There are strategies you need such as targeted learning and development programs, including mentoring, to get your talented workforce good and ready to replace critical people.
Your coffee is ready. Take it and get out.
You know, you are quite the rude little fella. You need a lot of development before you can replace Carmen, Luke or Gabriela.